Rewarded Play mainly uses mobile data when the app loads content, updates information, or connects to online features, but the exact amount of data depends on how you use the app. By the end, you'll know what activities inside Rewarded Play can use data, how to reduce data consumption, and how to check whether the app is affecting your mobile plan. Section 1 is understanding when Rewarded Play uses data. Rewarded Play needs an internet connection because it tracks app activity, loads offers, and updates your account information. Opening the app, browsing available games, and checking your rewards balance can require a data connection. Downloading or updating games through your device's app store can also use data, but the amount depends on the size of the game and your device settings. The games you play through Rewarded Play may use different amounts of data depending on whether they require an internet connection while you are playing. A game that works mostly offline after installation may use less data than a game that constantly connects to online servers. Section 2 is reducing data usage while using Rewarded Play. The easiest way to control data use is to connect to Wi-Fi when downloading games or installing updates. Check your phone's data settings to see how much data Rewarded Play and your installed games are using. On Android, open your device settings, go to the App Data Usage section, and review the data used by Rewarded Play. On iPhone, open Settings, select Cellular, and check the data usage listed for individual apps. Turn off background data or background app activity if your phone allows that option and you want to limit automatic connections. Only install games when you have enough Wi-Fi access if you want to avoid using mobile data during downloads. Section 3 is checking whether Rewarded Play is the reason for high data usage. Compare your phone's data usage before and after using the app regularly. If your data usage increases, check both Rewarded Play and the games connected to it because game downloads and updates may contribute to total usage. Also, check other apps running on your phone because high data usage is not always caused by one application. The key points are simple. Rewarded Play uses data for online features. Game downloads can affect data usage, and your phone settings can help you monitor and control consumption. Your next step is checking your phone's app data settings and using Wi-Fi for downloads whenever possible. If this guide helped you understand Rewarded Play data usage, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.